What's the date? 15th? Yeah, June 15th. Boys and I are back in Vermont. We have some tree work to do. And it is the day before the LCI fishing tournament. We go do the Father's Day 3-day fishing trip on Lake Champlain. And up by, we go Mallett's Bay, around that area. We go for 3 days and we always have a pretty good time. And every year we have to mess with this thing, Dad's Tide Craft. See, we got prime in it one year, and it's like we have to work on this thing every single time beforehand. And we're about to fire it up, make sure it works. We haven't touched it since we did the last LCI and then put it away just because we're so busy all the time. We have so much going on all the time. Think it's gonna work?
I don't know. It's questionable.
Come on, man. Should be good. Oh!
Nice choke.
I don't know if you want to.
Hey. When it's trying to fire, that's a good sign. Oh yeah. It's gonna happen. Yeah. But we're gonna rip through the trailer here and get it all ready. And then we're going fishing tomorrow. We got some more trees to cut this afternoon, so we gotta get stuff done. But we bought a bunch of stuff at Cabela's. We had gift cards.
Should be advertising for them.
Dude, most people go to Cabela's. They just do. Because Walmart, they just don't have what you want. They don't even sell tube baits. Tube baits are underrated. They're the underrated lure of the century. And crankbaits. I'm gonna go through some of our goodies. Like these kind of things, we fish with crankbaits, lots of lighter colors. Squeeze those inside of a tube bait, you can put a little grub on it. Tubes, color is important. Dark colors for tubes. You want them to look at like crayfish as much as you can. Casey likes these. I don't use too much. I don't use them too much. These are awesome sauce. Rattle traps. That's where it's at. You can see we got a bunch more tubes. Sankos, we love Sankos. Those things are awesome. But enough about that. We gotta finish getting it ready.
Love you guys. Have fun.
Love you. Thank you. We're just waiting for Ryan. Good morning, good morning. All right, let's go get the boat. Don't run the poor guy over.
He's on the wrong side.
Who's gonna drag my deer? If he's injured. Good morning, mountain deer. It is 4 o'clock, Saturday the 16th. We got everything packed up. Ryan's in the truck. Casey and Dad are grabbing the last things that we need, and then we're gonna head out. And it's only like an hour or so to get to Colchester from here, so we'll slide right along. Get it done, go catch some fish, get there for the bait ball. Should be good. Morning, Rod. How you doing? Feeling good? We didn't sleep a whole lot last night, but it wasn't bad. I slept good. Today's gonna be a good day.
Yep. It's gonna be beautiful. That's
oh yeah,
it's
gonna be great. We're gonna get some good footage. We're gonna catch some good fish. We're gonna have a few laughs. It's been a while since we've all been together and not been working. Like we've done nothing since deer season ended. We've done nothing but work. A little bit of motorcycling here and there, but
that's just to get to work.
That's it. But mostly that's commuting. That's mostly commuting. So it should be good. We're gonna get packed up and we're gonna go. Let's go. Let's go. Grab the coffee. Thank you. Massively important that we have that.
Whoa. Yours isn't even sold out.
What?
I brought a spare.
Yeah, good thing we brought a spare. We're gonna show these two guys how to fish, man. We're gonna do it. That's a good sign.
Yeah, that's a good sign.
Yeah. Look for Casey's second fish already. Pull back so Casey can do this. Get the nut. Oh, you come off.
Cut it off.
Oh.
Yep.
We can just say that that was the biggest one because there's no proof of how big it was, right? How big was it, Casey?
It was this.
Oh my God, yeah.
There were times, but it was this big.
Not looking good, Ryan. You gotta step up your game. We've only been here like 3 minutes.
I got 3 days.
It says it's like shooting shooting your buck on the first day, because then you're just hanging out for the rest of deer season, 6 weeks of doing nothing.
It says don't do it.
Ryan says you gotta wait till the end. What's the point? Down to the wire. That's what you want, right, Dad? He's gonna fish. Oh. Watch it.
That's the way to fish. You catch them, your dad unhooks it, you don't even have to touch the fish, and he lets it go.
You've been doing that since you were 5, man.
He's like, Daddy, ew.
Ewies. Beauty. Oh man, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Oh yeah. That's a good one.
Dude,
that's a
corker.
beauty. Look at that.
Nice job, dude. Nice job. Perfect.
Oh, look at that thing.
I want to retie that.
Okay, I'll take that. Ryan, want to measure him up?
Monster Casey.
Good fish. That's awesome.
Easy, let him run.
Oh, snapped it.
Oh,
it was huge. I didn't have time to adjust my drag. It was huge. Oh, like just this giant gold.
You know, to quote Taylor earlier, he says, fishing is a lot like golf. It's a lot of nothing, and then one big moment of frustration.
Cool.
Beauty. Should have voted for myself. Anyway, that's a beauty.
Oh, it is a fat show.
Yep, that's a good one. One of the most underrated lures of all time. The tube. They come in many sizes and colors. This one's obviously the best one.
Hold it still. That one's obviously the best one.
Obviously the best one. You guys haven't seen any other tubes work in action. That's it right there. Bass Pro, hope you're watching. Is a 18.
18.
Woo!
Nice one. Yep.
Yep. That's awesome. First fish should be in back out. Looks like a largemouth case.
Yeah, I think so.
Cool.
On a little swim bait.
Yep. We're gonna have to figure out this time of day. We've all been trying to fish kind of quick, but it hasn't been turning up. What are you using?
A little swim bait going nice and slow.
Yep. So you
Hit
just
some
changed
weeds,
style.
Hit some weeds, and there it was.
What do you got on, Dad?
Most of the time, like 10, 12 feet of water, the northerns have been in. So been using like a white crankbait of some kind. Of course, steel leader is probably a good idea on the northerns. So.
Yep. You don't have what happened to me earlier today.
Right.
What happened to me just barely.
Yeah.
He just kind of same time. But the other thing too that we found today is gravel with 2 baits. We've got some different ones.
There's one right there by the. Yep.
Yeah. Any of the little 2 baits. The brown, we had a little bit darker brown with some purple fleck in it. This one here is kind of a lighter one. This one was kind of the best of all of them.
Yep.
We just put a little weighted hook in it and then throw it near the shore and then just keep hopping it down into deeper. The bigger fish were 10 feet over.
Yep. Yep. The color of the day was pretty much white. White worked really good for most of the day.
And brown.
Like a
Light brown.
lighter brown.
Yep. But no luck on anything of really speed. Today's been, what with the weather, it's all been fishing real slow. But
yeah, they haven't really been chasing.
No.
Few white perch wanted to chase pretty good. That was
yeah.
It was good in the morning, and we're just getting back out here now. We did some drone stuff, so that kind of slowed down. We wanted that nice light, and you'll see a little bit of that.
We took a break off, and it's been nice.
We'll see. We're tired. We've had a long time.
Yeah. But I bet we can pull a couple more good ones out tonight.
We're right at like almost 90 fish for the day total, everything.
Now we're back out here when things are cool.
And 7 keepers.
Yep. Which is pretty good.
Yeah. And a keeper's got to be 16 inches.
For a largemouth.
And so we've been out, so it's
and a 17 on a small.
Yep.
Yeah, usually.
Cool. Well, let's get to it.
Then you get that right there. Throw them back and we'll try it again. It's 9:20.
9:20, and we're not catching a thing. Not since that Ryan caught a couple.
I caught a large.
And that last one that you got, Case, and that's it. So.
This evening has not been good.
Nope. Just bugs.
We've had a good time, but
Yeah, it's been fun,
good
but
yakking. That's it.
yeah. But we'll go back to the hotel, get some sleep,
It's all wrapped in.
and we will be here
We'll bring them all in the room.
bright and early.
I'm not leaving them out in the boat overnight.
See you in the
They'll all go in the room.